With the right tools and machines in your workshop, you can buy rough boards cheaper from the lumber yard and turn them into smooth ones ready for your woodworking projects. There are many products available to choose benchtop thickness planers, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best benchtop thickness planers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. DeWalt DW734 Benchtop Thickness Planer. The DeWalt DW734 Benchtop Planer features a 3-knife cutter head just like the DW735X. The 3 knives are double-edged knives, which means you can reverse them after one edge gets dull or blunt. Spinning the cutter head is a powerful 15-amp motor which produces a maximum speed of 20,000 RPM, so the user can work on any stock, whether it's hardwood like oak or softwood like pine wood. The motor spins the cutter head at a speed of 10,000 RPM, producing 96 cuts per inch to ensure the finest finish on the stock. At the top of the machine is a depth adjustment knob that allows you to raise or lower the cutter head for easy depth control. It also has a turret depth. Number 2. DeWalt DW735X Benchtop Thickness Planer. The DeWalt DW735X is one of the only portable thickness planers with a 13-inch width capacity, allowing you to plane wider boards than most other portable planers. That alone is one single reason why most people go for it. It's for the wider width capacity. One more thing you'll notice when you get the DW735X is that the cast aluminum base is almost twice as thick as the base of other units. It has a 19 3/4-inch base in contrast to the 10-inch base found in other portable units. This makes it more rigid and stable during use. Another important feature that stands out in the DW735X is the 2-speed gearbox it has. This allows the user to change feed speed from 96 cuts per inch (CPI) to 179 CPI. This allows you to either optimize the amount of material removed using a slower speed or remove less material while improving the surface finish using the faster speed setting. Number 3. Mophorn Thickness Planer. This is the first tool from Mophorn I've had the opportunity to review, but even though I had my doubts prior to this review, I can say now that the performance and quality exceeded my expectations. The Mophorn Thickness Planers is one of the few units that come with an already made stand that allows you to use the machine conveniently at the right height. Apart from that, the stand also makes it more rigid, preventing it from wobbling during use. The stand can be detached from the planer unit, so you don't have to worry about carrying both at the same time if you have to move or transport it. The width capacity is just 12.5 inches, while the depth capacity is 6 inches, but you can carry out a lot of projects. Number 4. Jet JWP13BT with helical cutterhead. Of all the benchtop thickness planers listed here, the Jet JWP13BT is the only one that comes factory fitted with a helical style cutterhead. It comes equipped with a 15-amp 2-horsepower motor that spins the helical cutterhead at a speed of 10,000 RPM. The helical cutter head consists of 6 rows of 24 quick-change carbide inserts, which are very easy to replace compared to the knives of a straight knife cutter head. What we like about it, helical-style cutter head runs quieter and produces better cut quality. The planter is well built and sturdy. Feed rate can be adjusted for a better finish or to remove more material from the workpiece. Cutter head inserts are cheaper and easier to change. Increased width capacity of 13 inches. Good dust collection. Where it can be improved, it's quite pricey compared to the competition. Number 5. Craftsman CMEW320. Just like the other machines reviewed, this Craftsman CMEW320 benchtop planer comes equipped with a 15-amp motor for maximum power and speed. The motor spins the cutter head at 8,000 revolutions per minute, which in turn makes 16,000 cuts per minute on the stock, ensuring a very smooth surface is produced on the material. What we like about it. Replace cutter head blades easily, leaves a very smooth surface, dust port can be positioned either way of the machine for convenience, fairly priced, setup is easy. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching.